Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you use revolution, chamfer, fillet, hole, and polar pattern. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint, and the first thing that we'll make, we will create this line here. The chamfer and the fillet we will make later. So this line has 50 millimeters of length, and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 25/2. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, and select polyline, click here, make a line here. Go to dimension, the distance here 25/2. And the length of this line here is 50 millimeters. Now we will create this line and this one. The distance between this line and the center line here is 25 millimeters. And the length here is 30 millimeters. Go to dimension. The distance here 25. And the length 30 millimeters. And now we will make this sketch here, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 60 millimeters. So select polyline, click here on this point. Make sure that the line is a vertical line and horizontal line, and go to dimension. The distance here is 60 millimeters. Now leave the sketch and go to revolution. The angle 360 degrees and press OK. Now we will create this chamfer and this fillet here. The chamfer 2 millimeters, the fillet 6 millimeters of radius. So go to chamfer, click here and select this edge here, the size 2 millimeters, the type equal distance, and press OK. And go to fillet, select this edge and this edge. The radius here is 6 millimeters and press OK. We made this one here. And now we will create this hole. So we will create this circle for reference. The distance between this circle and the midpoint here is 40 millimeters. And here we will make a circle here with 10 millimeters. It is just for reference. So select this face and go to create a sketch. And select the circle. Make a circle here with 10 millimeters. And go to distance. Select the center of the circle. The distance here is 40 millimeters. And leave the sketch. Go to hole. And this hole here, it is a counterbore hole. So the head has 12.24 millimeters of diameter and the dip 3.5, and the diameter of the circle is 5.5 millimeters. So the head type, select the counterbore, and the head diameter 12.24, and the head dip is 3.5, and the diameter of the hole is 5.5. And the dip here, you can use 25 because it is through all this body, and press OK. And now we need to create more 3 holes here. So we will go to polar pattern, and here select transform 2 shapes, and select add features, and here select this hole, and the occurrence here is 4, the length 360, and the mode extend, and press OK. And here we finish your exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.